Hello students, today we start our lesson number 4, To the Cuckoo. This poem is written by William Wordsworth. So here it is the biography of William Wordsworth. In this poem, as you know, William Wordsworth was a nature poet. So he write about the natural things what he get in the, he was a nature's poet. So he write about all the natural things what is related to the nature. In this poem he write about To the Cuckoo. Is one of the most beautiful poems of Wordsworth. He welcomes the bird as a blithe newcomer, as its song captivates and moves him to supreme spiritual joy. So first I read the poem. O blithe newcomer, I have heard, I hear thee and rejoice. O cuckoo, shall I call thee bird, or but a wandering voice? While I am laying on the grass, thy twofold shout I hear, from hill to hill it seems to pass, at once far off and near. Though babbling only to the vale of sunshine and of flowers, thou bringest unto me a tale of visionary hours. Thrice welcome, darling of spring, even yet thou art to me no bird but an invisible thing, a voice, a mystery. The same whom in my schoolboy days I listened to that cry, which made me look 1,000 ways in bush and tree and sky. To seek thee did I often rove through woods and on the green, and thou wert still a hope, a love, still longed for, never seen. And I can listen to thee yet, can lie upon the plain, and listen till I do beget that golden time again. O blessed bird, the earth we pace again appears to be an unsubstantial fairy place that is fit home for thee. So students, in this poem, Wordsworth welcomes the cuckoo at a blithe newcomer, as a blithe newcomer. He is rejoiced to hear its song. It flies from hill to hill. It flies from hill to hill. It herds springs, brings sweet memories of the past and symbolizes happiness. It is loved by all. The poet used to hear its songs in his school boy days. He loved its voice but never saw the bird. He hoped to see it one day. He calls the bird blessed. He can transform this unreal earth into a blissful region of happiness. So students, here poet tells us about the cuckoo, which is a wandering bird. Here in this poem he used the words for the cuckoo like blithe newcomer, wandering voice, visionary hours, darling of spring. These words he used, blessed bird. These words he used for the cuckoo. So in this poem, this is a nature loving poem which is written by William Wordsworth. So students, here there are some rhyming words like rejoice, voice, hear, near, grass, pass, heard, bird, veil, tail, flowers, hours, spring, thing, me, mystery, days, ways, cry, sky, rove, love, green, seen, yet, beget, plain, again, pace, place, be, thee. So you have to write the poem in your fair notebook. This one is your homework. Write the poem in your fair notebook and write all the rhyming words which comes in your poem. You have to write it in your fair copy. Thank you.